the outreach coordinator here at the UCSD Arts Library. I host a chamber music series and a silent film series. We have a toy instrument band, and many of these activities happen right here in the library. Well, most people know me as a classical musician playing in symphony orchestras and chamber orchestras. And as a child, I didn't think I liked music. Very proud of the fact that I have a contract with the San Diego Chamber Orchestra, and that's where I play. There's something about being in the back row of an orchestra that isn't quite the same thing as somehow breaking through a fourth wall and working with an audience. When we show silent films here, when we screen them, we have live music and live sounds, just the way it's supposed to be shown. And what our gimmick is that the audience helps us with the sound effects. There are people that refer to me as a Foley artist, and I have done sound effects for film. And these are just small BBs inside a drum. When I'm collecting these noisemakers, because I often work with a live audience, I like to collect things that do have an interesting visual. You know, after all those years of being in the back row of the orchestra, so far I'm just enjoying collecting all these noisemakers. Sound is everywhere, and it's not always something you can appreciate. Some sounds just are annoying, and there's just no way around it. The other extreme is, you know, a harp can be very intimidating. It's so beautiful looking, and it can sound so beautiful too. I think my big fear is that people aren't involved with live music making. So my hope is that people will get more involved with live music making in their homes, in their everyday life. One of the ways that I encourage that hope is enjoy the sounds all around you.